if you are looking for some bug repellents for indoor and outdoor, you're going to want to check these out. I bought both of them, tested both of them, so you could buy the best one that is for you. I'm going to walk you through what I like about each one, what I don't like, some things you need to know. You can't go wrong with either one of these. Just there are some things that might make a difference for you. This one right over here is going to be Kate's Home and Garden Peppermint and Cedar Oil. And this one right here is going to be our EcoVenger. This is kind of ants and crawling insects. So let's take a look at Kate's first right over here. So this is ready for you out of the box. You literally take this out of the box. You're going to shake it up. You're good to go. You're going to get 16 ounces of this, about 1,500 sprays. This is the second bottle we have bought of this. I would say that is pretty accurate, about the 1,500 sprays. This is going to be great for, first, if you have an ant problem, which we kind of started this for us. We had a big rainstorm, lots of flooding, and basically we got some ants. We got this mainly because it is safe for our dog and little ones as well. That is the main reason we got this. This has a peppermint / cedar smell to it. But anyway, it's safe for all those above reasons. Now, this is just great. You spray this. It does do a great job preventing. This is great for your ants, flies, and spiders. We live in basically our backyard is the woods over here. So we get lots of spiders, especially. We do get some ants, but spiders are like everywhere. So I spray this along the door over here to kind of prevent that. We have sliding glass doors. We have another one upstairs as well. So that's kind of what I'm using this for, to kind of do that prevention. This is also fine in the kitchen, all that stuff. Something to note about this, it does smell, like I said, like a cedar. I would say it's more cedar than peppermint. So just think of like cedar wood or a new deck. That's what this is going to smell like. I wouldn't say it smells bad by any means, but there is like a distinct cedar smell to this. But it works really well, and it does a great job of preventing. So let's move on to the EcoVenger one right over here. So this one is good for ants and crawling insects. You do have an immediate, if the bug is done, as soon as this hits it. So if you have like spiders, ants, all that stuff, you spray them with this, it's done right away. They don't kind of like squirm in it or like sit in the residue or anything like that. This one also disrupts. So if it's for ants, it will kind of, if an ant happens to take it back or you're spraying the actual ant colony, it will destroy the ant colony. So that is a nice part about this. This is also child and pet safe, and it's just really nice. This one right over here kind of smells more like citronella. So that is probably the biggest difference before this, is this one smells more like citronella versus this one smells more like cedar. We'll get into that in a second. This one right over here, you're going to get the 16 ounces of this as well. And this is just super easy to use as well. You can just spray this. It's good for indoor, outdoor. Again, it will eliminate the bug on contact and also does prevention. So let's kind of get into the pros or the differences between the two of these. So I would say the major difference is going to be the smell. If you would prefer cedar over citronella, the Kate is going to be for you right off the bat. I would say if you're looking to get rid of ants, flies, and spiders, this one does cover more. This one is more for ants and crawling insects. So I would say this one is definitely going to be, it covers a little bit more. So that's just something to note about that. They are both good for pets and little ones. So that's a nice pro for both of these. The bottle is a little bigger on this one right over here. Not that that's anything that's kind of concerning or anything like that. If you're short on storage and you want something smaller, maybe this is the one. Again, that's kind of the major differences, what it's made of. This is the peppermint and cedar oil, and this one is more kind of a citronella type of oils. You can't go wrong with either one of these. We use both of them. We got and tested both of them, and we definitely use both of them pretty similarly, to be honest. This one I kind of like for more around the door and stuff like that for the kind of prevention. This one is more kind of spraying outside. You could use them for both. They're both indoor and outdoor. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the best pest repellent for you.